all of you. So today we start the new topic that name is a routing protocol. Okay. So in routing protocol, that concept which is to be based on your routers. So router is nothing as what? Actually the routers they forward the data or that we call as a packets. Okay, that where they forward the packets and data in one router to another routers or one router to the destinations, and then all we discuss today. But before that, we discuss that the one diagram. Okay, so that diagram they told about that the routing tables. Okay, but before, okay, so that we going to on there, uh, that router is nothing as what you already know about in OSI reference model. The router is nothing as a intelligent device. So why we call it the intelligent device? Because the router, it has or it has a intelligent device because they contain the processors, they contain the memory, okay, they contain the routing tables, they contain the protocols. Okay, so different protocols are there, and that the protocols they follow your data. Okay, so where they send the data from one location to another location using protocols they send the data. Okay, actually the way which one is the best route in between the routers, okay, or number of routers, that the find out your protocols. Okay, so the routers that contain again the routing tables. The routing tables is basically what they contain the destination router IP address or the destination machine IP address. Okay, in between them they can choose. Also they contain the cost, means source to destination. In between that how many routers are there, the cost they include your routing tables. Okay, the second field, first field is what, your destination IP address, either routers or either machine. Second field is what, your cost. And third is your cost is nothing as what, the in between the routers source destinations, in between how many routers, the routers whatever the cost we have to consider on them. Okay, the third field is what, the next hop, or we call it next router. Okay, so whatever the next router, this is the third field. Okay, you have to take on. But whenever we take the routing tables inside the routers, that having again the two types. First type is what, your static routing, and second is your dynamic routing. So static routing is nothing